What's good, YouTube? Your boy's back, bro.
I can't listen to a nigga.
Early morning. Running a little late. We about to get straight to it. Make sure the camera's straight so I can see where I'm looking, how I'm looking. Crack the window a little bit. Got all the slow pokes in the way, man. Police. The fun has stopped. The fun has stopped. All right. And that's the quickest way to make your ass stop cutting up, bro. Police pop up. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh man. And they got their little door flap open for the charging. My man was in a rush this morning. Hey, everybody running a little bit late. Shoot. And I'm about to go back and play the videos. I don't know if y'all can hear that good with the wind and stuff blowing all on the camera, but I know it keep my GoPro from overheating though. That's what I do know. That's all I do know. Holy, the police do not mess with me. Alright, that's a little warm. 67 is warm. Why? When is 67 warm? That's supposed to be cool, bro. Oh, that's why. I get it. They said you're stepping on the gas. They say you're stepping on the gas. That's why the car is blowing out hot air. Police coming over too. He right there. I see his ass. I see him. I see him. I see him. I see him. Can't wait until his ass. Not getting off yet. He ain't getting off no time soon. Is it playing? it's not getting cold. I think it is now. Yeah, there you go. Red's running a little hot, a little hot. Yeah, there you go. He coming now. Let me get over here. Let me get over here, bro. Hey, do not mess with me, Mr. Officer. Cause he ain't playing. He ain't playing now. He trying to pull somebody over. You ain't getting me, buddy. I refuse. I refuse, sir. I refuse. Go ahead and go where you need to go, partner. Because you are not about to get me this fine Monday morning. This beautiful Monday morning. Nissan Altas, man. They just don't stop. What is a Maxima? Hey, man, same thing, look the same thing. Shit, same thing, shit, by the same company. I know some of you kind of, no, it's just a Maxima, not an Altima. Man, they look the exact same, especially the older ones. I guess the Maxima supposed to be like a bigger version or whatever it is, but yeah. But anywho, I just wanted to make a little quick video for y'all, man. Yeah, I think I did. I'm gonna put the cold start in the beginning of the video, but yeah, man, just early morning. Go ahead and speed if you want to. Little Mustang Mach-E. Go ahead. Police can pull you over, then I can go ahead and speed where I need to go, because he be occupied with you. So hey, go ahead. Show me that you faster than me. Go ahead. I want you to get pulled over. Shit, when you get pulled over, everybody else feels safe. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, okay, we good. We can do what I want. We can do what we want to do now because you already got somebody. You know what I'm saying? Sure, you got to take one for the team. Shit, we all trying to get to work and shit like that. So you go ahead and take one for the team. Like, why you keep? Police is about to get off, buddy. Police is getting off, buddy. As soon as the police gets off, I'm pressing the gas. I'm pressing the gas. I don't know why this Mach-E is trying to just ride next to me, bro. I don't know what he's trying to prove here. I don't know what you're trying to prove here, pal. I don't know what you're trying to prove here, pal. You know, the Bridgie Bridge coming up. The Bridgie Bridge. Hey, bro, I never get tired of that shit, boy. I never get tired of that shit. Ooh, listen to that baby. That baby purring. That motherfucker purring, boy. Hey, man, ain't nothing like a V8, bro. Ain't nothing like a V8, boy. Oh man. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I love it. Man, I love it. Shoot, I got the AC up hella high though. You know, I'm just trying to get the air circulating for this GoPro, man. This mug overheats. Shoot. I might have to get me an extra mic though if I can't hear the exhaust that well, but I'm pretty sure you gotta do. I did upload a little short when I was revving in the parking garage and shit like that. But yeah, man. Let me do one more right here. One more little pull. I think I did spend a little bit on that launch right there. Well, I can't really consider that launch, but from that 60, from 60 up like 65, something like that. But man, this thing yanks. I'm telling you, bro, it yanks. This motherfucker pulls, bro. And it's with a stock tune. I ain't even tuned this mug yet. But what I got planned for it, I'm gonna give me a new exhaust system put on pretty soon. Though I got me a catback exhaust system. I'm also gonna get my secondary caps deleted on here. That's pretty much it. I don't think I'm gonna do too much else to it, man. I was gonna tune it, but I don't know if I want to tune it or not, man. You know, you never know. We'll see how long I end up keeping the car, but I'm gonna get a couple things repaired on it and put my exhaust system on there. Then I'm probably gonna be done with the car, modifying wise. But you know, I'm gonna ride this motherfucker till the wheels fall off. So yeah, but you know, shit changes over time. I might end up getting the tune, get the ECU tune. I say ECU tune. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right here. I don't know why I got in this lane, but I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching, man. Appreciate it.